What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we have a case for the Z Fold 7. I know the Z Fold 7 been out for almost a year now, but it's still a good phone. It's my everyday driver, and yeah, still buying stuff for it. So today we got the Unicorn Beetle Pro case made by Supcase. Got a really good deal on this. The original price is $74.99. Did not want to pay that much, so I scrolled through the colors, and I found one that was more affordable. This is my first case like this. I had their cases before on like my S7, my S9 and stuff like that, but haven't had one since then. But yeah, let's get into this thing right quick. Let's see. Let's open the package up. Should I have a knife for this? Some strong plastic. Hold on, guys. Let me grab a cutter. Alright, guys, I'm back. Let's get this box open. Nice little presentation. It's a cool little box. I like it. Just pull the top off, and boom, here's the product. All right, extended warranty. We don't need that. We're gonna toss that to the side. And here's the go right here. UB Pro for Galaxy Z Fold 7. So this is your instructions. Got some extra adhesive strips if needed at later usage. Shows you how to put the phone into the case the proper way. This is the case itself. All right, so we got the front piece, and it also comes with a tempered screen protector glass, and this is the back piece. I'm gonna put that back in there like that. This box is cool. I really like it. I like to keep my boxes when they, made pretty good. So I'll be keeping this one also. All right. So far as the case, we have the back piece, hinge protection. Yes. Sides are still thin. Kind of have like a carbon fiber looking little design on the side. This part is open, so you can, get your thumb in there. Kind of like carbon fiber on the hinge protection. It also comes with, it says it has a built-in stand, so if you want to stand your phone up, you can. Also, you can use it as a, as a holder. Finger fits right in there. It snaps back into place. Camera protection is pretty good. So let's get this back piece on. Didn't come with a fiber cloth, so let me just grab one so I can wipe it down. So I guess I'm gonna take my Samsung anti-reflective screen protector off. I kind of liked it, but it don't make no sense to have this screen protector with this one also, on here at the same time. So let's just take this off. And plus I got a few scratches on it. Not bad, but we're gonna go ahead on and take it off. See, my screen still look brand new from since day one. I keep a screen protector on it because I don't like to see scratches on the screen itself. It kind of like drives my nerve crazy. So same thing with the inside, and I did get the black color. Same thing with the inside of the phone. Screen protector also in there. I done changed it like 2 times already. But yeah, you get the point. Okay. Let's get this first piece on. So you're gonna pull these arrows off. That'll be your adhesive strips. This is the protective film from the screen protector. And we're gonna go ahead on and slap it on. I believe my screen is fine. We're gonna go in there like this. Get a good wipe, because I hate to put it on and it have something stuck to the screen. So let's go ahead and drop it on. Boom. Should hear it snap like that. And that'll be all the way on. So we're gonna come with that top part. Peel it off. Boom. So you want to make sure, if you get one of these, you want to make sure you go to settings, display, touch sensitivity, and turn it on. That'll help with, you know, you being able to press any button on your screen. We're going to drop this back piece on like this. Alright, I heard it click. Alright guys, I got it on, but it's not all the way right. Let's see. Alright guys, it's pretty much on. It's flush. This how it look. Like I said, you got your cutouts right here. Still pretty thin. Microphone cutouts at the top. Hinge protection is right here. Cutouts at the bottom. And you also got the camera protection cutout. And you got a kickstand. Or boom, like that. And yeah, she's good to go. Sit like that also. Then you can hear it click. Boom. Kickstand is up. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all in the next one. This color right here is the desert color. That's what they call it. So this is the one that's got a reduction in the price drop. So if you're interested, a link will be in the description. Have a good one. Peace out.